In Android Studio's layout editor, there are three main modes that allow you to work with the layout of your app's user interface: design, split, and code mode. In the design mode, you can visually design and lay out your app's user interface by dragging and dropping widgets onto the canvas. You can interact with the UI elements visually and use the palette to add and customize widgets, for example, buttons, views, image views, and layout components such as linear layout and constraint layout. The design mode provides a "what you see is what you get" approach, allowing you to see a live preview of how your UI will appear on your device. Let's go to the code mode. Click on it and you will open an XML code file. In code mode, you work with the XML layout file directly. This is where you can manually edit the XML layout file associated with your UI. You can add, remove, or modify UI elements and attributes by writing XML code. For example, if I need to define a new button, here I need to start with button, XML tag, wrap content, and specify here the attributes, and the text equals click me. This is a new button defined. If I go back to the design, I can see this button is created here. The code mode provides fine-grained control over the layout and is essential for more complex layouts or when you need to specify attributes precisely. The split mode, click on it. Split mode displays both the design and code modes side by side, allowing you to work on your layout visually while simultaneously seeing the corresponding XML code. This mode is useful for those who want to have the benefit of visual preview while being able to interact and inspect and edit the code at the same time. Changes made in either the design or code view are reflected in real time in the other view. These modes in the layout editor are helpful when designing the user interface of your Android app. You can choose the one that aligns with your preferred workflow and expertise.